Welcome you back, guys. Thank you for making it this far. It means you are really determined to make a change. So like I said, there are dozens of computer languages out there, but in this course we are going to divide it into two main parts, in the HTML, and then in the second part we are going to learn CSS. Then along the line you'll be doing some little bit of JavaScript. I believe once you get the understanding, you are going to have the hunger to pursue or learn other languages like Ruby on Rails and other languages. HTML, you need to understand that it's not rocket science, meaning you don't assume that once you learn HTML you can be able to write everything that you want. But it is very important and essential that as a developer you should understand how HTML works. Now, whatever you see on the internet, it has some bit of HTML written at the back. Whether you are writing in JavaScript, Python, or whatever language you are using, you must understand that someone has already written HTML for it to run as the skeleton or the backbone for whatever you are doing. So you learning HTML means you are opening new doors and opportunity for yourself in the industry. So if you are learning it for the purpose of working on your web page or to develop mobile applications, then you are doing the right thing. So like I said, HTML is not rocket science. You must first of all get it. Once you learn HTML, you are going to have to learn other languages before you appreciate what you are doing. But HTML is very beautiful. So let's see. For instance, you come here and then you type HTML. So HTML is basically what is called the hypertext markup language, and we are going to use the revision 5 or the 5th revision for it. So put on your belt. Let's meet in the next video and get started. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.